The master's degree in chemical engineering, smart chemical factories, aims at training engineers with high level of competencies that will allow them to face the current challenges in chemical engineering, like for instance, circular and sustainable economy, decarbonization, energy transition, emerging hydrogen technologies. Our school has become a benchmark institution for teaching, for research, and for technology transfer in diverse fields of industrial engineering. The Smart Chemical Factories Master has two specialization tracks, Smart Polymers Engineering track and the Green Chemical Process Engineering track. Both areas are very strong in terms of research and innovation here at UPC.
Now we are in an environmental crisis and we do need solutions for sustainability. Anything that you want to come up with, any new product, new process, new design, has to be accompanied sustainability analysis. And it's really interesting to know and to learn how to do that through the masters. Barcelona is a really interesting and funny place to live in. You get to also know the Catalan culture, which I also have appreciated a lot. Thanks to the masters, I got the chance to do an internship in Denmark in a field that I like a lot on chemical engineering. Well, I got in contact with the company through the masters. Also, the administration here facilitated a lot the fact that I was going out. Everyone was really helpful through it, and I get the chance to do a very nice opportunity for my future professional career.
I realized that I want to dedicate myself to the research and development of polymers and biopolymers. The opportunities the master is offering me is to get in touch with more realistic cases in the chemical engineering field, to be in contact with the main problems that are nowadays occurring with the renewable sources, to add value to these products with the tools that the master and the programs provides us.
The professor is very close to the student, has a lot of opportunities to express yourself, to explain your ideas, and even to enhance some specific processes that may be very successful in the future. That is the main idea of engineering, to solve so many problems and difficulties around the world.
First, when I was looking for the universities, UPC was one of the best engineering international university in the lovely city of Barcelona. And then because of the interesting subjects which are presented in this course in different fields of process, polymer, environment, so it lets us to challenge ourselves and see that which field we are more interested in, and also the suitable and appropriate schedule of this course, which led us to work and also study at the same time. UPC is an international university, so it gives us this opportunity and chance to be in touch with different students from different cultures and improve the teamwork skills. So yeah, that was so interesting to me.
All the research groups that interact with the master have been awarded the Catalan SGR Quality Seal. When we carry out our research, we have access to cutting-edge laboratories and state-of-the-art equipment. And most importantly, our master students have access to all of this when they perform their master thesis.
Around 45% of the Spanish chemical industry is located here in Catalonia, and our master has a close relationship with this chemical industry ecosystem, especially here in the Barcelona Vallès hub. This interaction benefits our students very much. They can find internships, scholarships, or they can develop their master final thesis.